In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Doctrina.AI account. To get started with Doctrina.AI, you'll first need to create an account. So in order to do that, the first step is to open up your web browser and then go to the search box and type in www.doctrina.ai and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Doctrina.AI. Doctrina.AI is an educational tool designed specifically for students, which offers a range of features to enhance the learning experience and aid in academic tasks. Once you end up in this page, click on the sign up button at the top right-hand corner to get started with the sign up process. You'll need to fill in some of your details on the next page to start up your account creation process. In the first text box, enter a valid email. After you type in your email, enter your username on the next field. After creating a username for yourself, on the next field, type in a password. Make sure to create a strong password and then confirm your password by retyping it again in the last field. After filling in these details, you can click on the sign up button and you'll be redirected to the login area. Now, you need to enter your username followed by the password that you just registered with in the login page. Start off by typing in your username first, and after you are done, enter your password. Finally, click the login button and you have successfully logged into your account as well. So that was how you can easily get started and create a new account for Doctrina.AI. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.